Good morning. Today we're going to be unlocking our financial freedom by finding our financial independence number and then adjusting that number over time according to your multiple streams of income. So let's dive straight into this FinSesh tool. It's called the FI number tool or financial independence number. Just some basics about this tool. All the sections in blue is what you can fill in, and the currency is set in Rand, which is South African currency. But if you're a foreigner downloading this tool, the basics apply to the 4% rule. So just ignore the currency if you are a foreigner. All right, let's dive into the basics. So firstly, this tool is based on the 4% rule. This is the secret number for financial independence. This is the number that you should have in your stock market savings account or investment account to withdraw at 4% per month or per year, whatever you choose. And then you can, according to the theory, live off this 4% withdrawal for the rest of your life. So to calculate this number, you take your monthly expenses. Let's use, for example, this person X uses 20,000 Rand per month as his expenses. You multiply this monthly amount with 12 to get an annual amount, and then this annual amount is multiplied by the number 25, and that's the magic number that converts to that 4% rule. So basically, you can see for this person X, they need 6 million Rand in a stock market investment account to withdraw at 4%, to withdraw 20,000 Rand for the rest of their life. But as one knows, in life and in financial independence, you kind of achieve for multiple sources of income. So let's say, for example, this person has a house on Oak Street. This Oak Street house earns a 4,000 Rand net income. So for this tool, please use all your net income as this is your current that you can live off income. So use net here. Let's say, for example, they got another one on Kloof Street, and this one yields, still currently in debt, but it yields, let's say, 1,500 Rand for this person. And then they got a sideline business, maybe earning another 3,000 Rand per month net of all costs. So as you can see, what this tool does is it adjusts your number that you initially inputted. This person needed 20,000 Rand per month. So now, after taking all the other net income from business and properties, you'll see you only need an extra 11,500 Rand per month. And this section will be from your stock market investing account. So as you can see in this example, now you only need 3.45 million Rand in your stock market account instead of the initial 6 million Rand. And this is due to the other multiple streams of income, reducing the amount that you need per month. So that's it for this tool. Pretty straightforward. You can download it on the finsesh.com website under the tool section, and see you all next time. Have a good one.